Hi, to adjust ringtone and alarm volume level on the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Active, as a first step, wake up the watch and now swipe up to trigger the control center right from the watch face, and here select the settings icon. After that, we would need to go in the sounds and vibrations tab, and as a first step, we can see that the silent mode is enabled, so these tabs are simply disabled, so we would need to tap on this switcher to disable the silent mode first. And now we can adjust the ringtone and alarm volumes. For that, to increase volume for the ringtone, you just need to tap on this plus, like that, and to just make it not so loud, tap on the minus. And do just the same for the alarm. And after that, we can also enable or disable vibration and select its intensity. That is normal, and this one is strong. So strong is a longer version. Just choose whatever you like and save the changes by simply going back. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.